Evening everybody, so Mike from Usuallybrokencars. I'm here with my Pops tonight, he's hiding over there. We're going to drop the sump on the GTI and see if we can work out why it's warning for low oil pressure, but fingers crossed it's just a blocked up pickup pipe. I have got one here, so yeah, let's get into it. We're going to remove, basically disconnect this, take off the turbo return here. There's Allen key bolt /10mm, so they're internal 10s. There's a couple in the box here. Once they're out, we can start having a look, and hopefully it should come down fairly easy. I've been told it is a quick and easy job, so fingers crossed. Okay, let it come down a bit. It's not too bad. There doesn't appear to be any swarf or anything in it, so that's good. Right, so we've got pretty much all of the bolts out of the sump pan. We've got the two off the turbo pipe that hold that in place. We've got the ones that go inside the gearbox and through to the sump out as well. Pops is just taking the last one off the turbo pipe at the front, and that should be everything bar the two we've left in to hold it in place. So fingers crossed it'll be coming out very shortly. Loose. Last two, and
that's good.
okay. You've got the gun if you want to zip them out, Pops. Just up there, mate.
Put your hand up there as well.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
That's it, mate.
It's pretty shitted up.
Yeah, go and pull it out.
Myself on that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I mean the pickup's pretty shitty, but what the engine looks pretty good to me. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, that gauze is pretty shitty. So let's get it off and get the new one on. I would say it's fairly blocked up. Obviously, new one, old one. As you can see, this one is full of shit all around the edges. It's hard to sort of see inside, whereas if you look inside this one, still lovely and clean, but it's also clean on the inner race as well. Whereas like this one, you can see it's just got to build up. So get the new one on. Job's a good one. I mean, the seal's half hanging out this side, so once it's up tight, I'd imagine she'd be right. That's it. As you can see, like, there's some pretty thick sludge in here, but still better than I was expecting. There's a bit of like, thick crap, but we'll get that cleaned out and she'll be right as rain, good as new. As you can see, we've given it a good clean out. There's still little bits that are a bit harder to get out, recesses, but it's a damn sight better than it was. So we'll get some instant gasket on it and get it bolted back up again.
How much is here?
There's 5 there. We've just filled it back up again. This will be the first start. Obviously I'm going to be watching the oil pressure light, making sure that goes out. No horrible noises, to be fair. Happy. That's good. Obviously we won't know till we give it a proper road test. Sump's back on, oil's done. First drive since putting it back on and the new pickup pipe. Doesn't seem to be any horrible noises at this moment, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit nervous now. It'll be fine. I have no doubt it'll be absolutely fine. Got rattles and bangs all over the place, but half of that's down to the fact that we've got seat belts loose, and now I'm just rambling because I'm nervous. But let's go for a drive and give it some beans. So let's give it the beans and again, we're in Mexico, so we've gone through a limiter in second, third, and then near enough to fourth, but obviously we don't want to break the law. So, but I've had no warning light. It doesn't mean it's fixed, but it does mean that the warning light hasn't come on again. We're back home. I've done about 5 miles. I know it's not a huge road test, but I've done 5 miles. The car's behaved itself perfectly, so fingers crossed it's fixed it, but again I'm gonna have to put some more miles on it before I call that a fix. Definitely seems that little bit quieter, and I didn't get any low oil pressure warnings at all. So thanks for watching the episode. Fingers crossed we've saved the Golf, and see you on the next episode. Bye.